In October 2024, while most people were busy with the launch of ChatGPT, Anthropic was working on something. This feature was known as a computer use. AI did not remain inside a black box. It went out in order to take control of your desktop, your files, your secrets. This is not an exaggeration, but a reality that you will experience. About 5 years ago, most people said it's impossible for a human create a machine that could speak like a human. And now, you see for yourself what is happening. But in reality, why this is important to this extent? And why do AI experts warn about it? If we take a look at what can it do now, I mean as a starting point, because we have seen in previous technology, they all started as things we saw as simple, but after it turns into... Let's move to Mustafa Suleyman, the man who is currently leading the direction of artificial intelligence at Microsoft. Suleyman did not just talk about the brilliance of these models, but he gave us a frightening timeline. He announced that we have entered the area of interactive AI. And now, with the emergence of frontier models, we are able to perform tasks that from a human perspective were impossible. If Cloud Opus can simulate your movement on the screen, and if agents are able to access your bank account in addition to performing tasks that are complex in complex system in certain company, then what is to stop a large company from lying most employees? Since what most people in many companies do, agents can do as well. For more than 2 years, most people believed that artificial intelligence was just a smart encyclopedia, but Anthropic was working behind the scenes. The goal was to build an artificial intelligence capable of controlling and modifying the computer interface. Now, let's connect the dots to make things clearer. If we have Cloud Opus, which represents the hand capable of moving the mouse and controlling software, and we have OpenAI Frontier, which represents the mind that understands the inner secrets of companies. Then what is the final result? The result is what we are now seeing behind the scenes in major companies, the fully autonomous agent. We are not talking about merging two technologies, but about the breadth of a new functional entity when the mind joins the hand. The jobs that once required years of human experience become merely a processing operation that takes seconds. This alliance is what Mustafa Suleyman was referring to when he spoke about the 18-month window. He said that artificial intelligence would reach the modern Turing test, the ability to generate revenue and run a complex business independently. Within 2 years, we will see companies fully operated by AI agents, where the only human rule will be setting high-level objectives and monitoring the results. In the new models that began emerging in early 2026, AI has become capable of analyzing massive and complex data. It analyzes a company's entire history in a single second and produces a decision: fire, hire, or invest. The question you should ask yourself is not, can AI do my job? The real question is, if AI can do your job, your manager's job, and your entire department's job, what will you do tomorrow?